Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Elmo na naman nga pala nagbabalik. So hot man. Yo, what's up mga kapatid? It's Tuesday afternoon and we're on the way to work, guys. It's still hot man, it's very hot. Yesterday is my day off, but I didn't do nothing. I stay at home. No, I do shopping actually, grocery. And now look, it's so sunny. And tomorrow I'm working as well. Wala katao-tao guys, so ako lang. So quiet man. Today we have some bookings, but let's see how it goes. And on Thursday we're going to the beach. Hope the weather's still okay, but it should be still hot. You. Yo, Wednesday afternoon, we're on the way to work. Sobrang init, grabe, tirik yung araw, tirik na tirik. Sarap pumunta sa beach. Pero bukas punta kami sa beach guys, punta yung Vermont, outside London. 2 hours from here yun na train, so pero maga akong gigising bukas. Let's go.
Moi je suis venu, je vais à Madrid, d'ailleurs de quoi?
Glow in the dark coffee guys. So nice. lantern. What up mga kapatid, this Friday ng tanghali. It's actually 12 afternoon today guys. Going to work. I'm still sleeping man. A bit early today because we have a funeral party today. Shit, yeah, you can hear me, it's a funeral party. One of our boss friend, the old guy, passed away. Hindi ko alam na may celebrate pala nila yung ano dito ng funeral. Nantok pa ako, tas sama nung allergy ko. Sobrang init ng weather. Tara. Shit, sobrang init! Abot singit! So guys, Saturday afternoon and we're on the way to work. It's so hot man. But the weather's cloudy and it's a little bit raining now. It's a little bit. But it's really hot. It's 34 degrees I think, or something like that. The first time I do shower. Parang hindi naliligo araw-araw. No, I shower every day. It's my first time to do cold shower. Like malamig na tubig talaga yung gamit ko. Sobrang init. We're at the train station now and sana hindi lumakas yung ulan pa. Sana ganito lang. Sobrang cloudy man. Yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm just waiting for Bluminous to score, and then they go just now, and now I got 100 cash out, 100 pounds. I don't know, you can see 108 cash out. I will take it now. So I win 90 pounds though. Cha-ching! Easy money. Woo. Easy money. Yes, easy money. Yo guys, pauwi na tayo after work no. Hindi man yan busy kanina. Putsa, bumaba ako sa bus, ang sobrang init. Naglakad na lang ako. Pero magte-take pa ako ng isa pang bus. Mga 10 minutes walk pa dito. Sobrang init sa bus, di ko kinaya. Dahil tsaka traffic naman hindi umuusad yung bus ko. Dito pala ako sa May Piccadilly ngayon. Daming tao dito ngayon kasi Saturday night no. Dahil lumabas, nagiinom. Daming lasing man. Kaya natin baka may makita tayong away. Content din yun. Angas ng mga sakyan dito man. Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
Dahil lasing man. Oh. ito, dito na ako sa may Piccadilly, may big screens. Ano na, 1:46 ng madaling araw. Siguro makakarating ako ng bahay, 2:30 na. Traffic, sobra. Dito banda guys, gimmick kanto. Lagi akong nalabas dito dati. Turo sa inyo kung anong bar yun. McDonald's. Turo tambay. Ito, dito banda yan. Oh, tatakpan ng bus, man. Oh shit, matatakpan ng bus. Hindi, ito. Ano yung rumba. Ay kami nalabas dyan, man. Pag pumasok ka dyan ng wala kang nakahali kang babae, ibig sabihin torpe ka, man. Madali dyan, man. Sobra. Oh shit, may lumulungat doon. Malalabas lang. Cowboy. Lakad po tayo. Sobrang init guys, sobra. At ngayon, nainitan pa rin ako. Lalo na sa loob ng bus. Grabe, MPR naman. At think bukas mainit ulit. Day off ko bukas pero wala pa akong plano. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko bukas. Baka magpahinga ako. Angas ako. Medyo delikado rin dito, man. Pati Chinatown. Oh, Spice Girls. Wala silang tune, patugtog kayo eh. Medyo malapit na ako sa bus stop. Wala akong vlog ngayon, kaya ito na lang. Lakad mode tayo sa Central. Grabe, patay na yung bar namin, hindi na busy. Sell namin kanina, wala pang 2,000 na. Normally nakakasell kami ng 30,000, 25,000. Ngayon puta, wala pang 2,000. Malapit na ako sa aking bus stop, pero di ko alam kung gano'n pa katagal yung bus ko. Dito yung ano, may nag-away dati. Ayan, sa Salsa. Kaya lang walang away ngayon, medyo matino yung mga tao. Kulang pa yata sa alak. Alam, nasan yung bus ko, man. Hindi sila busy ngayon. Nung last kasi ang daming tao rito ngayon. Ayan, walang pila. Diyan yung bus stop ko, kung nasaan yung bus. Doon ako naghihintay ng second bus ko pa uwi. At number ng bus ko ay 24. Hindi ko alam kung gaano pa katagal bago dumating. Pero pag matagal pa yung dumating, baka mag-take ako ng isang bus. Minto ako sa may Camden, kain na muna ako ng chicken wings, tapos sakay uli ako ng isang bus. Depende. Ito, bus 29 na yata ito. Check ko muna yung isang bus ko. We're nearly home now, guys. I actually take another bus to get the chicken wings because a bit hungry. Medyo nagutom ako man. Sobrang init. Napawisan ako. May sobrang init. Mga bintana rito nakakabukas. Ang mga bintana nila nakabukas mo. Sobrang init sa loob ng bahay kasi kahit nyo sa amin din. Allergy ko malala na naman man. Yung ilong ko namamatay na. Kakasinga. Ano to? Box? Pusa? Ano to? Pusa. Sana mabait. Ay, mailap to eh. Nakita ko na to eh. Tatalon na. Ay, tago. Wala, nagtago. Medyo mailap yun eh. Pero may isa doon banda ron. Mabait. Pero yung iba ayaw magpahawak man. Masaselan. Ito na ako sa may building namin yun. So guys, next time na lang ulit. Bawi ako next time. Wala tayong ma-content eh. Talagang quiet na sa work eh. Tomorrow, I don't know what's my plan, but let's see. Magtaong bahay ako bukas. And bye.
Traveling and afraid of coming. Hippie trail and full of zombie. I met a strange lady. She make me nervous. Give me in and give me a breakfast. And I say, we come from Gilly Manor. Magic mushroom for breakfast. Sometime don't come to Gilly Manor if you're scared of mosquito. Yo, bro.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't ready. I got some.
It's your time.
It's my time. Shit. Fuck
Definitely.
it. Put the book down, man, cause I'm chilling out in Gilly, man, and we don't need a plan, man. We just go and have a good time. Yeah, I got a couple of rhymes and I can spit them. I'm just chilling with the clan in a place called Brotherhood, and you know it's all good. He be hitting the drum, and I just play dumb, cause I got a bag of freestyles I can bust out anytime, man.